Guys, running Kimono here. So believe it or not, these 4 items completely free and a $4.21 moneymaker this morning at Walgreens. Oh my gosh. So before we dive into that awesomeness, we're going to talk really quickly about the Coldest water. They are the sponsor of today's video. They make really cool cups, tumblers to keep your water cold for up to 36 hours. They sent me this custom one with my name on it. If you have somebody on your Christmas list who's impossible to shop for, you might want to consider, getting them something custom from the Coldest water. I have a 10% off coupon code if you use the code Kimono at checkout. How great is that? And they also give away merch once a month. So to enter, guys, there's a link in the notes, completely free to enter, and you could possibly score some free Coldest water merch. And this stuff is really built to last. I have been using my cup for the last month or so. When I go shopping, it's really nice to have some water. Even when it's like 40 degrees outside, you still get thirsty when you're running around shopping all day. So if you're interested, check out the Coldest water and enter their contest. How awesome is that? Hey guys, so first thing this morning, there was a special coupon that showed up, and it's $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $5 in store. And that's what I utilized for this basket, and believe it or not, it actually worked. So this is what I got, guys. I grabbed 2 of these Snuggle. It's like a scent booster. $5.79 on a buy one, get one free. So you'll only pay for one. And even though I don't have any manufacturer coupons, I still managed to get the deal to work. But if you just want to do this and you don't have any register rewards, I'll walk you through it. Grab 2 of these, $5.79, and you have that $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $5. So you have to pay for it. So you'll pay the $5.79 out of pocket, and you will get back your $5 of Walgreens cash. So please make sure you have that loaded. And IBOTTA has $2.50 back for each, so you'll get another $5 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $4.21 moneymaker. Is also a fantastic deal, and it has to be on these specific Godiva masterpiece chocolates in this bag. So they have a caramel one, they have this ganache one. Grabbing 2 of them for $7. There's a 2 off of 2 IVC coupon and a $1.25 coupon from a recent insert. I think it's the Smart Source of November the 22nd, that one. So presenting 2 of those, that's $2.50 off. And you will pay $2.50 out of pocket, and then get back this $2.50 register reward. So it essentially makes it free chocolate after that. Like, how wonderful is that? Just to explain what I did, guys, I grabbed 2 of the Godivas for $7 and then 2 Snuggles for $5.79. So that's $12.79. Got the cashier to scan the 2 off of 2 for the Godiva, and then I handed over $2.25 coupons for the Godiva chocolates from the November 22nd insert. So 2 of them subtracted $2.50, and then I had a $4 register reward from Crest. So I paid $4.29 cash out of pocket. I had that $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $5 loaded to my store card, and then I submitted $2.50 to IBOTTA twice for the Snuggle, and then I also got back a $2.50 register reward for the purchase of the Godiva chocolates. So this for me was free plus an $8.21 moneymaker if you're factoring in the register reward and the $5 of Walgreens cash. I mean, this is just an absolutely tremendous moneymaker. Did this deal on its own with Walgreens cash. So I picked up 2 of these for $7, subtracting that IVC coupon. plus the $1.25 manufacturer. And then I also threw in $2 of Walgreens cash. I paid 50 cents out of pocket, and then this little gem printed out of the Catalina machine. Any way you slice it or dice it, guys, there's some deals to be had and found at Walgreens. Go out there, make it happen, or at least go and spend $5 on stuff and get that $5 of Walgreens cash. How wonderful is that? Okay, so the last store that we have is Meyer. Meyer is a grocery store in the Midwest. Now, every day, right up until Christmas, they're going to have 50% off of selected items. And this London Fog Sherpa blanket, you will find this on an end cap. It was $14.99 today, and I think the original price is close to $30. So there is a $5 M perk off of this blanket, so you'll have to have that loaded, along with $3 of Santa. You'll have to have your Santa bucks also loaded, which will subtract another $3. So you will pay about like $6.99, not including your tax, which is a really great price point. Now for me, I had a $5 M perk that was also on my card because I bought $200 of groceries in the last couple of weeks. So I utilized that too. So I actually paid $2.11 for this blanket that's almost 30 bucks. And just to show you, like, this is a really nice blanket. What a nice gift. Even for $6.99 plus tax, that's a really nice item for your home, or if you wanted to like give it away for like Christmas. Like, who wouldn't love to receive this? Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a jog through one of these deals of the day, and every day it's something completely different. So these London Fog Christmas blankets are found on an end cap. They will not be found in a regular section, and what an end cap is, end of the aisle, that's where they will be. And there's a bunch of different decorations on these blankets. Some of them are very plain, and some of them are very holiday themed. I was gonna say Halloween themed. So as you can see, I scanned it in the store and it says $14.99. That is the price that you're looking for. See, it says sales price. And I'll let you guys know, I went around 8 o'clock this morning, nothing was tagged. And there was a huge stock of it. So nobody's even touching these blankets. Nobody's even thinking of these blankets. You're going to have to load this M perk, and it's $5 off. So there it is. And then this Santa Buck M perk as well. You'll have to clip that too. And as you can see, $3 off of a $14.99. That's how we're getting the $8 of savings on this product. So 5 from the M perk and then 3 from the Santa Buck. And then just to show you my receipt, boom, here it is. So to use the Santa Buck and that $5 M perk for the blanket to work in concert, that is once per store card, because Santa Buck is only one. And on my receipt here, I have an extra $5 of savings because I had bought stuff previous, spend $200 on a basket, get $5 off. So that's how I was able to get the extra $5 of savings. So for most of you, this will probably be like $6.99 for one blanket. And if you want to get more than one, what I'm going to suggest is to use like you and your spouse's card, or if you might have 2 cards, or you and your mother-in-law. But like to pay $7 for one of these blankets, that is an unheard of price. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to enter the Coldest Water giveaway, or if you want to go on their site to look at some merch, absolutely go and do that. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.